Shanghaus, Shanghai Company Limited, established in 2012, is located in Songjiang Science and Technology Industrial Park, Shanghai, China. It is a high-tech enterprise with R&D, design, manufacturing, and sales, after-sales service. Our company advocates the corporate philosophy of core technology, optimize life, which is committed to the optimization of human habitation environment. Human health concept is the core value of the environmental technology company. Adawo is an advocate of plasma air purifier, a high-end air purifier brand in China. The company uses electrostatic absorption technology for the first time in the field of air purification, creating a precedent for plasma air purifiers. Shanghaus focuses on the development and design of non-consumables purification technology. It has won many awards in the fields of human settlements, medical treatment, scientific research, etc., and provides purification equipment to many famous enterprises around the world. Our company has a professional technical team, integrating healthy, breathing, and smart home into product design, and independently research and development, designing high-quality products with excellent functions, novel shapes, and unique technology. Our main products: plasma, HEPA, sterilization, disinfection air purifier, massage gun, humidifier, hair dryer. Products are mainly sold to EU, North America, Middle East, Asia, etc. The company implements a professional scientific management model applied for a number of product patent technology. Products obtained CE, RoHS, FCC, CQC, EMC, and other international authority certification patent.